Hi everyone, and welcome to this video where I'll show you how to display formulae in Excel. In our example, we have a budget planner and want to quickly identify which formulae are used in this sheet. To do this, we can use one of two methods. Firstly, we can display the formulae for all cells that contain formulae instead of values. Select any cell within the sheet, then go into the Formulas tab, and then click Show Formulas. This is now displaying the formulae in all cells that contain formulae, instead of showing the resulting values. It has also doubled the width of all cells to make it easier to view the formulae. We can click Show Formulas again to remove this functionality. The alternative option is to use a shortcut. Hold down the Control key and click the grave accent, which is usually found in the top left of most keyboards. As you can see, this does the same thing and the Show Formula option is selected again. This tool makes it easy to view all the formulae in your sheet without having to inspect each individual cell. The second tool we'll cover will allow you to select all the cells that contain formulae. The purpose of this is that you may want to highlight these cells for auditing purposes. Once again, select any cell within the worksheet, go into the Home tab, click Find and Select, and then select Formulas. As you can see, this has selected all the formulae within our sheet. We can now highlight these to differentiate them from the other cells. Note that if we now add a formula to another cell, this won't automatically highlight, so it's worth repeating this process from time to time. On the other hand, if you want to highlight the input cells, in other words, the ones that don't consist of formulae, click on any cell, click Find and Select, followed by Go to Special, and then select Constants, and untick all options except numbers. We can now apply a different color to differentiate these from the cells containing formulae. This brings us to the end of this video, where we've covered some tips on displaying formulae and constants in Excel. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe to the Excel Hub for weekly Excel tutorials, techniques, and examples.